Hey guys, today in this video, we'll be comparing money market with high yield savings. And I recommend watching till the very end to know the final verdict on which is better. Alright, let's begin with the video. Money market accounts and high yield savings accounts are broadly similar. Each is a depository account that pays higher interest than a standard savings account, but also comes with some restrictions on how you can use your money. With a money market account, you'll have easier access to your cash, but will have more fees and balance limits. High-yield savings accounts make it a little harder to access your money, but they're also usually cheaper. Here's a comparison of both. A money market account is a type of savings account that can reward a higher interest rate to customers who keep a large amount of money in their account. So it could be a good fit for folks who have a bit more cash on hand. And unlike an investment account, it's not subject to the roller coaster of Wall Street. Instead, a money market offers a more stable rate to help grow your money more quickly. Maybe you just found some buried treasure and you're not sure what to do with it. You could spend all your gold at once, or you could look for a secure place to store it that also allows your treasure to grow. Plus, a money market allows you to conveniently access your cash when you want it. Hello, surprise vacation. At the end of the day, a money market account can be a great next step. When you're ready to get a little more from your savings, learn more about money market accounts. A high-yield savings account is a savings account that generates much more interest than a standard savings account. This means that these savings accounts earn higher interest rates than ordinary savings accounts. When comparing competitive rates, high-yield savings accounts can commonly collect between 0.5% and 3%. So, as an example, if you put $10,000 into a traditional savings account that pays 0.01% in interest, then that compounded monthly interest would pay $1 annually. Comparatively, with all other factors remaining constant, a high-yield savings account paying 1% in interest would earn $100.46 in the same time period. So I believe that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.